Once upon a time, in a small monastery nestled among mist-covered mountains, there lived a wise old monk named Li. He was known throughout the land for his storytelling prowess and the depth of his wisdom. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting hues of orange and pink across the sky, Brother Li sat in the courtyard, surrounded by the soft glow of lanterns, with a young boy named Ming by his side. "Ming," Brother Li began, his voice gentle like a breeze through the trees, "let me tell you a story of a journey." Ming's eyes sparkled with curiosity as he nestled closer to Brother Li, eager to hear the tale. Long ago, there lived a young man named Liang who yearned to find the answer to the greatest question of all, the meaning of life. So he set out on a journey across vast plains, dense forests, and towering mountains, seeking wisdom from sages and scholars far and wide. Ming, imagine Liang, his path fraught with challenges yet his heart filled with determination. Brother Li continued, his words painting vivid images in the young boy's mind. Along his journey, Liang encountered many trials, hunger, thirst, and even moments of doubt. But with each obstacle, he grew stronger, his resolve deepening like the roots of an ancient tree. "Ming, do you know what Liang discovered?" Brother Li paused, his eyes twinkling with anticipation. Ming shook his head, captivated by the story unfolding before him. In the quiet moments of reflection, amidst the rustling leaves and babbling brooks, Liang realized that the answer he sought was not to be found in the distant lands he traveled, but within himself. He discovered that the meaning of life lay not in grand adventures or profound revelations, but in the simple joys of compassion, kindness, and love. Ming, as Liang returned home, he carried with him the wisdom of his journey, sharing it with all who would listen. And though he may not have found all the answers he sought, he found something far greater, peace within his own heart. Brother Li's words hung in the air, mingling with the soft rustle of leaves. Ming sat in silence, the story weaving its way into his soul like a gentle stream. "Remember, Ming," Brother Li said, his voice soft yet profound, "life is a journey, filled with twists and turns, challenges and triumphs. But in the end, it is not the destination that matters most, but the lessons we learn along the way and the love we share with others." As the stars began to twinkle in the night sky, Ming looked up at Brother Li with newfound understanding and gratitude. And together, they sat beneath the canopy of stars, the monk and the boy, sharing stories as timeless as the mountains themselves.